Hey, John here with Real Hard Reviews, and today I'm looking at something a little different. I know I always say that, but again it is something a little different from our usual. I'm looking at two Xbox 360 knockoff controllers that one of them is way cooler than any Xbox 360 controller I've ever seen, and the other one does have some nice features. Coming in at $28 when needing AA batteries, and this is the, as we open the back it will tell us the exact model, the SMX ESM 9013, and this is from EasySMX. They make gaming peripherals and accessories, and they've reached out to us recently. So this guy comes in at $28 and requires 2 AA batteries, and is a very nice looking controller. I'll show a full unboxing here as I describe a couple other little features on it. And it's pretty nice. For $1 less, you can get the ESM 9101. As you can see, built-in battery. Gives you about 8 hours of game time, 2 hours to charge it, and above all else, USB-C to charge it. This is an amazing feature. It does work with, as they say, Xbox 360, PS4, or PlayStation 3, sorry. Not the PS4 because it's going to have the support issues. PCs, Macs, and any Android device as long as you're using an adapter to adapt their wireless module onto it, which their wireless module looks like this guy right here. It's a fair sized wireless dongle, but it's no different than any other. You just plug it in, it will auto detect both these controllers as Xbox 360 controllers, and you are off to the races. Now, what are the key differences? This one, you can't charge plugging in your computer or anything like that. It requires AA batteries. That's the 9013. It has nice rubberized sides, very nice feel, good click to it on pushing down the thumbsticks. It does have the standard Xbox 360 color scheme. It has a turbo button. Hold down a turbo and any other key and it will click that key super fast, which just like turbos of old. Works on a PC super simple. You can plug it into a Windows 10 system and you don't have to install anything. It just instantly works. It detects it as a 360 controller and you're good to go. Both these controllers will do that. With the 2 AA batteries in it, this one weighs a little more, the 9013. It does use a standard Xbox 360 controller battery pack, so if you do lose it, or if you pick up, I believe they're the 1800 milliamp hour Xbox 360 battery adapter. They do work in here. They even talk about it in their guide, which is nice. A couple of cool things that come with it on their guides themselves. If you get the controller from EasySMX and there is a problem for any of their accessories, they will ask you to contact support and they'll just send you a new one or get it resolved for you. And if it's good, just have a wonderful day. Again, EasySMX has reached out to us to work with them and we are going to try all of their products. We are not being paid as always, as we just have to be honest and open with that. But what did I think about this? Well, I'm going to jump into some gameplay here of me playing the other night. It just worked out of the box and it ran nicely. So that is the 9101 or the 9013. $28, $27 with both of them wireless. Both of them will work with any PC or Mac, and they will work with Android devices as long as you have an adapter. With that, I gotta say, my most impressed feature of the 9101 is that USB-C port for charging. No, that is not for connecting it to play and use it because you need the wireless dongle connected. But to charge it takes about 2 hours, but it charges with USB-C. Every other brand out there who's still using micro and mini USB, please stop. At this point, it's an old proprietary breaking port, blue microphone. Stop using the USB A to B adapter that breaks constantly, and you know it does. It's planned obsolescence at its best. And that's my rant for the day. Well, I get one right. But USB-C EasySMX for a $27 controller with USB-C charging. That is absolutely phenomenal for quick charging. And it gives you about 8 hours game time, 2 hours to charge. Cannot complain. So you finish your gaming session, you just pop it back in and leave it to charge and you're good to go. With that, I'm John with Real Hard Reviews, and do I recommend these two controllers? Hands down I do, but Even if this works EasySMX, I'm going to say ignore the one with the AA batteries. It looks nicer with the colors and stuff, but the flat matte black, the no rubbering on the 9101, to me, I really like. And the USB-C and fully wired, no batteries, the internal battery. It's got good weight to it. This is my hands down #1 Xbox 360 or PC controller I'm going to be using from now on. So that's the ESM 9101, and it gets my Real Deal Award right there for an awesome value and just being a great controller. And with that, I'm going to do something I haven't done for anything this price yet. Excellence Award, hands down. It is excellent quality. The packaging is the only thing I say that kind of reams it down. If you walked past it in a store, you would just have no clue what you were looking at. The packaging is basic. As you can see, very, very basic. And you'd more or less just walk right past it if it was in the store. But for an Amazon or online-only company, this is perfect. You don't really need it to be overly packaged. The boxes that they came in were completely thrashed by our local post office, but nothing has been damaged. So, do I have faith it'll make it to you with any problems? I do. The nice rubber coating on top of the analog thumbsticks is great. It feels good. It has nice quality. It has these little notches on it that catch really well on your thumb, which is just absolutely great to see. So with that, I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. This is the EasySMX 9101 and 9013. Two great, awesome value controllers if you're in the market for a value controller. And with that, I hope you like, subscribe, and please comment if you want me to cover more things like this and do more of these little, I guess people call these glasses off kind of thing where it's just me sitting discussing the product. And we'll jump into a whole lot more EasySMX products because I actually do have pretty much their entire product line in front of me. We're going to give away a lot of these as well because what do we need 10 controllers and 10 mice and stuff like that for? So please like and comment below. Hit up our Patreon. $1 a day, $1 a month really helps us out. And just have yourselves an absolutely epic day. I'm John signing out. Have a good one.